What? He had to get a restraining order.
He said no hood is safe from Curtis, the mad fabricator, except for women's. Except for the one time when there was a restraining order.
Oh, man. Curtis, the mad fabricator. Man, he better not try to cut a hole in my demon hood. See, he done lost his mind. All right, Phil, so what do we got going for the Soul Snatcher today? What about the rear axles? Did those come in too?
The rear axles, yes. As a matter of fact, I do have those, so those will be installed.
Turn that metallic off, Jeremy. What you got going on, man? With the old school original. Hey, man, where's the famous Hunter Holt at? Somewhere.
We had to tape him up and hide him so he wouldn't get in trouble.
Yeah.
Duct tape, rope.
You don't know where he's at.
Limited exposure. Limited exposure.
So what do we got going for the Soul Snatcher today, brother?
Got a diff lockout to help control pinion angle, and then some lower control arms to help you keep everything stiff in the rear.
Nice. I forgot about the lower control arms from
BMR.
Man, BMR has just really changed the life of this car with their suspension work. Guys, if you do not have BMR suspension products, what are you waiting on? You know, you need to get that put on your car if you're drag racing.
Oh yeah, any of our customers who do drag racing, we definitely recommend BMR products. We put a K-member on a 2015 here recently, and it dropped 40 pounds off the front end at least.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh yeah, it makes a huge difference.
Man, look at this baby right here. Another YouTuber. Oh, Storm 392. Woo! Man, I feel a storm. Man, look at Storm off in there. Good Lord, I'm going to have to tell my brother Uzumaki. Wow. Go to this channel, man. Y'all show my boy some love.
All life is a struggle. There are challenges to meet. You'll need a clear head and a strong body.
That's right. Say no to crack so you can live.
Woo! That's some heat for you, baby. Hunter, have you ever tried to cook a hot dog in front of that thing yet?
But it would work. I
bet it would work.
He would have been like, you don't get shit twisted.
We're missing some.
Hey, you need to let, are these your favorite front wheels?
All right, Curtis, this is what we got. What is this stuff?
BMR rear control arms. Stiffen up the rear a little bit, give us some adjustability to get your alignment all in spec. And then aluminum differential lockouts to keep your pinion from moving around.
Nice. How much did it all weigh?
All of this is 17 pounds, including the little guys over here. And then you'll see how much it makes a difference down the track.
There you go.
Working on pulling the hubs off so we can drop the rear end, get the axles out, get all the control arms off, and replace it all with stronger stuff.
So you got to take the whole rear end out of the car, differential,
drop the
everything.
whole rear cradle. Yep.
Everything to do.
Everything.
Wow, it's a big job.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Should be a few days.
It won't take you that long.
Nah, it probably creep into this afternoon, a couple of hours. But
cool.
Yeah, it should be a one-day thing, easy.
Man, what the hell do you have on your face, Hunter?
Man, I need to see.
He's getting old.
Okay. This stuff's hard to see.
Hold on, Hunter. Can you give us a look?
Look, I can flip it up though.
No, you can leave the glasses back down.
No.
Hold on, let's look through.
Maybe you need that for when you're.
Oh, I can see now.
I'm down with Plato and Socrates, and I like to get busy with all the ladies. Go, something. Down off of my shed,
You need to do that when you're doing your live. So you can
Oh, God. What? He had to get a restraining order.
He said no hood is safe from Curtis, the mad fabricator, except for women's. Except for the one time when there was a restraining order.
Oh, man. Curtis, the mad fabricator. Man, he better not try to cut a hole in my demon hood. See, done lost his mind. He talking about it's a Fiat, it's fine.
He come. Hey, did you send him a link to that?
That's a beauty Fiat.
Explaining that?
What?
The Fiat. I mean, I back up everything I say, so maybe you should do. Okay. All right. Send that link. We'll let me know when you get that link, HT.
yeah, I'll let you know.
I showed him the 3D printed garage though. Came all down to that. He's gonna go get a sponsorship. We're gonna build the motor.
We're gonna put 3D rods in it, make it spin so much faster, right?
Oh yeah.
Because it's so light.
Yeah.
And if it grenades, it won't tear up anything.
No, it might still tear shit up. It could.
It could, but at least
The
it's like
likelihood
the carbon
is-
fiber drive shafts in our Pro Mod.
Yeah.
When we've blown a couple of them up, and whenever they blow up, it just looks like cotton or whatever kind of coming out from under the car. It doesn't tear up the floor, doesn't do anything like that. You blow up aluminum or especially a steel, it will tear.
Oh, it's gonna tear up
It's
some
going to
shit.
tear up, yes.
Yeah.
But yes, the carbon fiber definitely in the drive shaft situation does less damage when it comes apart.
Yeah.
And I would think on the connecting rod that'd be the same way because it's definitely that way with aluminum rods. Don't tear up as much as steel rods.
Yeah, we definitely got the carbon fiber drive shaft from the Driveshaft Shop.
To be this, if those are proven, we put these in and there's no issues. Those need to go on the top. That's the soul snatcher bird.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically these that are on there, we're taking those out, shipping those back. They're putting in these new right here.
These boots, like I said,
Yeah.
these boots
Those are the soul
hold up. That'll be the top.
The soul,
top shelf.
he said those are soul snappers.
Soul snappers.
I kind of figured at this point that the leaking boot was just part of the soul snatcher, like the yellow shin spoiler. It's kind of
Oh my goodness.
the Mustangs that push.
What am I going to be doing?
He's supporting either the front, and I can come do these hangers because they just push up and over, and the whole thing will drop down.
And you already unplugged those deals to open it up, right?
So, what you want to do, the flange, or you want to do those? Oh yeah, we'll make HT do something.
I'm gonna drive it when y'all finish. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's funny. He thinks it's going to be drivable after you get done working.
Right. He'll be taking it back to the dealership. Oh man, I need it.
Hey, HT said he's going to drive it whenever he's done doing all this.
Who's gonna drive it?
HT's going to drive it. He's just like, this ain't drive this.
Still up on her. God darn it.
All right, Jeremy, come here. I need a third person.
Oh man, we got the whole crew working on it. I gotta get this.
What am I going? What am I doing?
This is the first time I've seen the whole crew work
This?
in unison.
Synergy.
Teamwork.
There we
Where we going?
Hell, just under the Cobra here.
go. Don't take that to a Mustang. Man, look at all that tar on there.
I know. We're gonna put you on a weight.
Oh look, it says 13.3. That must have been the expected time it would run in the beginning. Ran 13.
Oh, put it on the Cobra.
You gotta make up your mind. Don't put it on a Mustang. Put it on a Mustang. What do you want us to do?
I'll tell you what, with as much grease that's under here, literally
It's just
never going to rust.
no.
This will be
Yeah,
4,000 years from now, this thing will still be.
Yeah.
Where we eating at today, guys?
I'm assuming China
I hope.
China King.
I hope not.
Are you?
Probably.
Yeah, I might go China King.
You like China?
I don't know, man. Don't we? Is it China? I thought China King was Saturday.
Could have been Kung
No,
Fu.
that's IHOP Saturday.
Okay,
Yeah, the IHOP that you might come to and then never have.
Oh yeah,
that one.
yeah. You know, I didn't even want to go to
No,
breakfast that morning, but I went because of you, and then
What?
you were like backed out. And then you missed out on a great environment.
When you did actually show up that one time to IHOP,
I wasn't there.
was he not there?
No, he wasn't there.
Oh, okay.
When did you
He's
come?
been there. He's been with us.
Yeah, I've been to
Trying
IHOP.
to say.
When was that? December-ish?
No.
Look, I was there. You was not there, Curtis. Look, I told his mom to wake him up and get him to IHOP before I left the house.
That'd probably make her happier than you know. You want to go there? I can make it weird. I'm good at that. Superpower, making people uncomfortable.
Well, you tell the nice young man.
Wipe those brakes down.
Yeah. Want to make sure it's clean when it goes back together.
Man, I appreciate that, brother.
I may not want one, but at least I can make sure it goes back together like it should.
You know you want one. Yeah. Stop it. A need for a four-door.
I'll probably look at a Charger.
Wait a minute. Can I get that again on camera? If you got a need for a four-door, you look at a Charger.
No, I said Taurus SHO. What are you talking about?
They don't even make the Taurus SHO anymore.
Not anymore, but you can still get one. I don't need new.
You know you would get a Charger. Stop playing.
If I needed a family car, I'd probably get a Hellcat. Yeah.
There you go. Hellcat Charger.
I said if.
If. That's a big if. Hey, you didn't clean that off of there.
There you go. Now it's clean. It's be covered in tire again in a week, so.
There you go. You know it, brother.
Once you got kind of past the 60, it looked like it was still spinning a little bit.
Yeah, it was moving though, man.
Yeah, he was moving.
He was moving, and you know the front end didn't come up because of the suspension that he changed it. Did you see?
Yeah.
It front end was nice. It felt nice. It was going forward. And man, I put it in tune 2.2. I didn't run my hottest tune. Right. I think I'd have blew the tires if I ran the hottest tune. Yeah, but
the track wasn't gonna hold a 3.
Yeah, no, but it felt really, really good. It felt really, really solid. felt like a different car going down the
It
track.
looked like a different car.
Yeah, the suspension, it was like,
Yeah.
that BMR suspension is like on point, brother.
Because the 2 cars that were before you can
Yeah.
see them right off the 60 spinning
Yeah.
and carrying it. Yours it spun a little bit, but then it's gone.
It took off. Yes, sir, it really did, man. I was really proud of it tonight. What are you watching? What you got us watching up here, Phil?
What you commenting on?
Big booty woman, man. What is that, Phil? Good Lord,
You
Phil.
can't identify anymore. You gotta call it an it.
Phil say it's a it. It's a it.
You can't identify no more. Get in trouble.
Oh, man. Come on up here to Jokerz Performance. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.